and streams like water in his grip rapid, smooth and perfect. Blink and you miss the pour, but see the quality. Hand him a melon, and he carves a geometric statue. Edges so sharp math geeks would applaud. I need a huge cup like that barman to keep me powered all week. And how he crushes lime so quickly. Seems the fruit doesn't even know what hit it. Certain hands do not just mold stuff, they wake it up. This craftsman's art feels scripted, as if the object was destined to be this. Shells switch from brittle to brilliant, held by an artist, each turned into a miniature shrine, where every break is planned art. Years of training make freehand road painting look easy. This expert talent glows in every line. His blade never quits coconut milk spills. He moves powered by raw stamina. Hydration in action. Linking knit pieces on this unique device. Hypnotic. Exactness and art blend in every loop. Working on roofs is tough due to height. Yet, this guy adds extra thrill with his incredible pace. Nylon, yeah. Steady hand, and one swing makes a clean slice. He mastered the tool, and it yields like silk. Holding her small sickle, she floats over the crops like a dancer. Every cut piles a neat stack, harvesting turned into a dance. Occasionally, the best narration is quiet. Just observe this, it speaks for itself in detail. He sews the wheel cover, like fixing a family treasure. Every stitch precise, intentional, and made with care. Plants are cut back, and the rock wall is improved using a trimmer, revealing its sharp edges. Throwing nets isn't just luck, it is a real performance the motor hums. hands move with machine precision and net so like they have their own brain. When a team of experts starts, every step is planned. Each timed movement succeeds. Teamwork and outcomes tell the story. Simply observe, look. Taping up a cable becomes a ceremony. In his grip, you almost expect thunder and sparks. When he finishes, see the Rocky, some dye and a heater. The outcome is art, as bright as anything seen on the roads of Paris. Road fissures cause big problems, so they must be tightly filled. Occasionally, real beauty comes from basic stuff, not about scarcity but vision and hands that are skilled. Anyone here think their desk job is hard? See green color sprayed on the layer. Fast and flat using a spray tool. Ignore assembly lines. This man works like he's in a future lab. Vision directs every step like it is 2050. Such a smart device for tall jobs. Some cardio plus bravery. And suddenly you climb like a hero, wearing this kit. Believe a ladder is just for standing. Kagane, with some vision and safety steps. It joins a far more active process. This gypsum item is so lovely, perfect for adding artistic flair to any house. Bent or rough angles become perfect. With proper skills and a smart hack, this way transforms even the hardest areas into magazine quality surfaces. Occasionally just some dye and water can totally change a plain sack into something brand. Drilling exact spots in tiles or precise wall slices looks hard, yet for talented builders, it is just another chance to display their mastery and their skill to place it perfectly later. The imagination in this clip is totally breathtaking. Watermelons used as art surfaces. The outcomes are shocking. Hours Patience and vision produce stunning works of art. Thoughts on this roofing design? The surface appears perfect, smooth and sturdy. Wonder how it handles rain and frost. Washing high-rise building sides requires expertise and proper gear. It is good to see it performed with such safety and skill. Flawless cement spreading right here. All is tidy and productive. Done with such skill, it feels like magic. Certain methods are so complex, they need no words. Where building happens, there is a scoop, but a special one. This moves like a surgeon's hand on fast forward. And when an expert drives, dirt flies and shifts like magic. That masking tape isn't random. It is the start of a remodel symphony. Crisp lines flow like melody, guided by a real master. Nearby pyrotechnics, no scare. Goggles on suit closed. They executed a sparkling show with total command and zero injuries. Airing out drying. Leveling sounds easy, but sealing a window joint takes skill. And this expert aces it daily. The experts have built a genuine work of art. Shaping this stuff into a perfect sphere is a big task, but in talented hands, the impossible becomes real. If gravy makes a pattern on the dish, you aren't just viewing a meal. It is unleashed imagination. This kitchen doesn't just bake, it draws and tastes. Laboring at those altitudes is crazy. Climbing is difficult enough. Imagine fixing things once you arrive. Lavinier Sharpie is obvious. He builds tires with a child's joy. Stacking bricks just louder, heavier, and much more gratifying. This makes carrots shake. He yanks them so quick the greens barely move. A veggie harvest mission at full speed. That is all for today. Don't forget to like and sub, and we will catch you next time.